Good morning, everyone. Today, Friday, July 29, 2022. We can tell the background for today is everything going to be green. That's pretty good, but it's the last day we can trade this week. So Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Google, MA, ACN, NVDA, a lot of big technology company, software, consumer electronics, consumer service, all the bank, real estate, everything is going up, but that's not last that long. Careful. Sell everything is make profit this morning. Otherwise, if you wait till 10, good luck with that. So good morning, all traders again. This morning, and it's around 7 a.m. Central Time, we can see as dollars down, as energy's up a little bit, around 98, 99. It's been like 3 days like this. Financials down and indicate of 102 ticks higher in trading. It's been over 4,000 points. So and just go up a little bit to 1,775 points. That that's a little, because like when the go up is the US dollars down, so always like that. Has been for a long time. That's over 100 years. This rule never change. So we can tell all the tech stock is moving really fast, because they can have some problem today, and it took forever to explain that, but you get to know is S&P 500 can be down a little bit, and so remember, so the company such as Ne7tv 100 to borrow at higher cost. In turn, the same company will pull back investment, lead to lower future profits. Yep. What does that mean? It means next week a special event is coming up. Yeah, that's it. Way they say around, but anyway, the keyword, you have to pull them out. Check PT, as always, good. And Tsla, PLG, and Tesla. So Tesla is on 1040. We can call them $7.45. So anyway, this option charge and CHPT is always, and Tesla always the best one. Even though Tesla is a little expensive, it's doing a little bit cheaper. CHPT is cheaper, but even though PG is a little very convenient price, we can tell. So ETFs, remember like what I say, SPY and QQQs always stay on the top of list. So anyway, and by the way, cheaper one like XLE and XYG is a little cheaper. So anyway, when you get the products by ETFs, honestly, they move so slow. Usually there's around 0.5 to 5% is high, as we can tell, and a little bit higher than that is like more than from 5 to 10%. It's really barely, like around 10% of the total ETFs list. We can call it ETFs family. That's mean around 5% is good enough for the investor in ETF because like they go up, they grow so slow, but they grow stable. Based on New York AP, ExxonMobil was swimming in the profits last few months. This report like about the record 7.85 in the net income during the second quarter. Is a period with Americans struggle with painful higher price at the pump. So in Texas, they increase around $100 for pairs. So revenue is rocket to $115 billion revenue of 67% during the same quarter last year. That's been around 3 months. They make billion dollars. Even though out there a lot of people pay crazy stuff for the gas tank over $100, it's not happy at all. But anyway, they make money. That's new. We should invest on a company. Mobile is ExxonMobil, yes. So today's stock move, Ne7tv stock search. Thursday is all senators say, you know. Anyway, it's going to be green because of politics, and they can get real effect on the real life by the gas price or the oil price, and the economy number didn't go up at all. It's really low. That's already dropped back really far away. But anyway, because they pull the Federal Reserve, the Federal try to lower the interest down. So anyway, the BHC is the stock we are focused for today. So BHC it lost like $4, and be prepared by this one around $5. And even though they dropped to $4, keep buying down, and someday you can sell it back like $7 or $8. So easy. That's mean one by one profit. It's still $1.8 billion. Usually they're around 2. Now dropped to 1.8. Yes, analyzed rating is 56. Highest one is 30. Lowest one's 4. And right now it's around 5. Perfect. So anyway, 5 point something. And right now you can get like 100 share V1, and after that you get like 5 more hundred share. Keep doing that, 2, 4, 5 more share, and when they dropping back lower and lower, just keep buying it. So one day it's doing around really nice from $4 to $8.75. So it's like $4 rotation is pretty high percent for. That's almost double. And the second stock for today is FLNC. Fluent Energy is 13.3. It's already 2.2 compared with last month. Like last month's around $11. As mean we can buy it around 13 for today, even though prepare they drop back to 12, but anyway they will go more than 14. So the cap is 2.9, like around $3 billion. So highest one is 39 and lowest one is 4, and daily rotation is 1.6. So it's move around pretty good, but anyway we can get around 30 to 50 cents. That's good enough for everyone to make profit. So 14 highlight rating is 57 buy and 36% is hold. But anyway, from I know a lot of people buy around 13 this morning, and now they already have 30-some cents. Now 13.30 some, and that's already pretty good money, or just even not even hours yet. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and see you again next week. Have a wonderful weekend.